What's up, online shoppers? The brand new cornhole game just arrived in the mail, just in time for trailer season, camping season, and weekends at the cottage. I'm so excited to open this one up. It's the vintage wood one, and I just love how it looks. Let's open the box and see what it looks like and what it looks like in real 3D life. Now this is cool. It actually comes with its very own carrying case. I'll use the handles to help me get it out, just like that. What's that heavy one? Now, of course, this one here is the 3x2 rustic wood design, and it comes with the bean bags and a really great carrying case. Let's open it up, get it out of the bag, and see how cool it is. Now, before I open it up, I just want to show you that it works really well. There you go. You see that this really handy carrying case has two wide, thick canvas straps. The straps all go all the way down around on the bottom and then back up the other side here. That means it's not just stitched here. You're not going to have a ripped case. It's really good, sturdy construction. It's nice that the zipper goes all the way around. Set it down like that. And I can fold the case back. Oh, look how awesome this is. I love it. So here's one of the cornhole boards, and it's got this really nice print on it. It's wood. This one is the red one. Let's take a look at the back also here. Here's the construction. You've got the two legs here to prop it up, just like that. Here's the back of the cornhole. We've got two really nice sturdy wooden legs, and they are attached with a long screw that actually goes all the way from the outside of the frame through a support brace here and through the leg screw here as well. Nice and sturdy, good solid wood construction. So there's the first one right there. Here are the bean bags. They are nice, substantial bean bags. I like them already. Look at that. Nice and heavy, bright color, nice high quality canvas here for red. Again, navy is the other color. Sturdy canvas, really nice thick stitching all the way around, really good quality bean bags. Now, not everybody knows how to play cornhole, so they do give you the cornhole rules right here. And the product also comes with a warranty so that you can enjoy lots and lots and lots of years of family fun. And there is the other one. Really nice set. Sturdy wood. The print on the surface of this is really nicely done. It does look like real wood, but rustic, handmade look. Let's see how good my skills are. Of course, I'm probably cheating because I'm so close. There you have it, folks. The GoSports Rustic Classic Cornhole game. I am so impressed with this set. I love the durable, high quality construction. This isn't made of flimsy materials. It's really well put together. The bean bags are a nice sturdy canvas, well stitched. The print is awesome. I love the classic rustic look. The edges are nicely cut. Everything's well laminated. Underneath, the legs to support the board are sturdy and they move really nice and easy. And you get this awesome carrying case that has a zipper on three sides of the case and is made of a really nice sturdy canvas that's water resistant as well. I love that these straps, these thick straps that are kind of like seatbelt material, go all the way down, all the way under, and all the way back up. It's one continuous strap here and here, which means you're not going to have any damage happen to your bag because it's not strong enough to support the weight of this. Weight-wise, this is about 30 pounds, so it's not light, but that is a testament to how well put together it is. And these are actually regulation sized bean bags, so there are 8 for blue, for red, of the 16-ounce regulation cornhole bean bags in this set. Totally love this. Love how it all fits together really nice. Fits in the bag. I can see hours and hours and hours of fun at the cottage when we're trailering. This is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.